beneath the stars, the soul's truth travels far, guided by light, no wound or scar. The cosmos whispers secrets deep, promises kept where dreams do sleep, eternal paths for hearts to keep. Oh, the infinite talk, ever so clear, the universe of love draws us near. In its embrace, there's no fear. Oh, the infinite talk, ever so clear, the universe of love draws us near. In its embrace, there's no fear. Oh, the infinite talk, ever so clear, the universe of love draws us near. In its embrace, there's no fear. Oh, the infinite talk, ever so clear, the universe of love draws us near. In its embrace, there's no fear. The galaxies hum a sacred tune, dancing softly beneath the moon. A timeless bond, a sacred boon. Through constellations, voices blend, a melody with no start or end, a healing song, the soul's best friend. Oh, the infinite talk, ever so clear, the universe of love draws us near. In its embrace, there's no fear. Oh, the infinite talk, ever so clear, the universe of love draws us near. In its embrace, there's no fear. Through endless skies, the heart takes flight, finding truth in the softest light. A symphony of stars burning bright. Oh, the infinite talk, ever so clear, the universe of love draws us near. In its embrace, there's no fear. Oh, the infinite talk, ever so clear, the universe of love draws us near. In its embrace, there's no fear. Oh, the infinite talk, ever so clear, the universe of love draws us near. The universe of love draws us near. In its embrace, there's no fear. The soul and the universe, forever aligned. In every whisper, paths entwined. Boundless love through space and time.
Quiet talk beneath the stars, the soul's truth travels far, guided by light, no wound or scar. The cosmos whispers secrets deep, promises kept where dreams do sleep, eternal paths for hearts to keep. Oh, the infinite talk, ever so clear, universe of love draws us near. In its embrace there's no fear. Hum a sacred tune, dancing softly beneath the moon. A timeless bond, a sacred boon. Through constellations, voices blend, a melody with no start or end, a healing song, the soul's best friend. Oh, the infinite talk, ever so clear, universe of love draws us near. In its embrace, there's no fear. There's no fear. Through endless skies, the heart takes flight, finding truth in the softest light. The symphony of stars burning bright. Oh, the infinite talk, ever so clear, universe of love draws us near. In its embrace, there's no fear. There's no fear. Forever aligned. In every whisper our paths entwined. Boundless love through space and time. There's no fear. skies are feel.